want this to be a national dialogue. And a national dialogue requires respect for each other and for each other's views. And a national dialogue is not conducted through insults. It's not conducted through incitement. It's conducted through reading, learning, understanding, and as the law said wonderfully, not talking at each other, but talking with each other. With a view that I may have an opinion I want to give, you may have an opinion, let us talk with each other, and by so doing we will find a way forward. This document does not belong first and foremost to me and Raila. It doesn't. It belongs to you. It belongs to you. This document is not about this individual's presidency and that individual's prime ministership, that individual's this. No. This is about all of us. What we are looking for is a document for posterity. And like I told you yesterday, friends, I may be the fourth, but I'm not the last. There will be a fifth president, there will be a sixth president, there will be a seventh president, there will be 100th president. So, hamna tabu, but there will always only be one Kenya. And that Kenya belongs to all of us, and we have a common responsibility to protect that Kenya. Yeah? A common responsibility. And what this document seeks to do is to bring us together and find out how we can protect that common territory called Kenya. Not for an individual, not for a community, not for the rich against the poor, or the poor against the rich, but how can we as a society called Kenya build a society that is inclusive, that is equitable, that creates opportunities for all, that is safe for all and secure, that creates great economic opportunities from the natural resources and from the intelligence and capacity of our youth, and that looks after all interests and ensure that nobody is left behind.